Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Investigation Vanguard Pubg, only way. Move toward the western compound and clear the perimeter slowly, communicating roles with your team. Prioritize a laptop and 2 access keys, then set up a temporary defense while one player scans the console. Use smoke and flank routes to distract patrols, keep medkits ready, and exit via the northern ridge once the scan confirms success. Keep your approach quiet and position yourself behind cover before engaging. Assign one teammate to overwatch with a vantage point, another to hold the laptop, and a third to sweep nearby buildings. Use smoke to cross exposed areas and flank patrols from unexpected directions. Rotate roles and positions frequently so enemies cannot predict movements, and always carry spare meds and ammo to sustain the scan if contact escalates. If you encounter resistance, keep calm and execute your contact plan quickly and efficiently. Suppress immediate threats, move the team into a defensive perimeter, and resume the scan only when it is safe. Use flashbangs or smokes to buy time, and have a clear extraction route if the situation deteriorates. Communicate health and ammo status clearly so the scanning player can focus uninterrupted and complete the objective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.